What's the meaning of bristols? Bristols. Bristols.
Bristols. Bristols. In British slang, bristols is a euphemism for breasts. It is derived from the phrase Bristol City, which rhymes with titty, a vulgar term for breasts. The word has been in use since the early 1900s and is still commonly used in the UK today, particularly in London and surrounding areas. Despite its somewhat crude origins, the term is often used playfully and can be considered an example of British humor. However, it is important to note that using the term may be considered offensive or inappropriate in some contexts.